Sharon Sim.
Hi, I'm Serena Wong.
Welcome to our podcast, Why Women Don't Talk Money.
It was all about working hard, saving enough, doing the right thing, being responsible, and if you did that well, then you would have a comfortable sum of money and lead life quite happily.
At this point, financially, and when it comes to money matters, what are you after? Yeah.
Good question. Because there is so much entanglement between what money can do, what money needs can do and solve, which are money troubles, and what emotional needs are about that's still very entangled with money. So over time, I've learned to untangle and be a little bit more clearer around that. So if you ask me the question, is there a difference between money and wealth? To me, there probably is. Money solves money troubles. And for me, money is really an energy. It's my energy and my time that I use to exchange for a currency with some stored value that I use to transact at another time. Wealth to me is quite different because you can have a lot of money and not feel wealthy, or you can have very little of it and feel like a queen. So there's a qualitative fulfillment aspect there that money can't solve for. It's been a little bit more in relation to where they are as teenagers and their mindset and thinking. So the favorite mantra in this season has been, don't be fooled by outward appearances.
Oh wow, all that glitters is not gold.
Yes, all that glitters is not gold.
What is that relating to?
Oh, that's relating to so-and-so bought something and I need to have it.
Okay.
Or, you know, so-and-so is having a certain lifestyle and has gone off somewhere, or etc., etc. And the real question is what you're really trying to achieve. And I think this is where it's not about having more money than the next person. This is about being more emotionally independent, more independent-minded, more mature, more psychological free to understand what your life is about.
How would you describe your satisfaction level in terms of the financial resources that you have?
Healthy at this stage, and it's not about having lots and lots of money. I certainly don't have the $1 billion. It is about fulfillment, contentment, and having a plan and a vision around how to use it. There is a particularly good advice that I did receive, which was around, if you can't spend it, it's not yours. And because of the way perhaps I started out with money in very conservative sort of circumstances, it gave me a ballast and a balance between hoarding, spending, giving, and taking the appropriate level of risk for myself.
Thank you for being so open and generous with your sharing. It is important to hear from women how they relate and feel about money, so we all can learn from each other and be smarter about it.
In addition to our fabulous podcast, if you would like to read more about women and money, our book, Why Women Don't Talk Money, is out online and in all major bookstores.
Let's talk money!